Peace to this house. Welcome to our channel, Deliverance, Daily Deliverance. This is your daily source of deliverance prayers in pursuit of holiness. So it's January 17, Book of Saints. We have Saint Anthony of Abbot. So that's from 251 to 356. Saint Anthony the Abbot, the founder of the monks of the desert, was born in Egypt in 251. After the death of his parents, he found himself with a large estate and charged with the care of a young sister. At the age of 20, while attending Mass, he was impressed by the gospel which said, "If you wish to be perfect, go sell what you have and give to the poor, and you will have a treasure in heaven. Then come, follow me." That's found in Matthew chapter 19, verse 21. Thus, he sold part of his property except what he thought necessary for his sustenance. Soon after hearing in the church these other words of Christ, "Do not worry about your life, what you are to eat, or about your body, what you will wear." Matthew 6:33. He he gave away his remaining property, placed his sister in a convent, and became a hermit in the desert. There he was harassed by the devil, who took the form of lustful women and of wild animals, and who presented to him the good works he might have been able to carry out with his estate in the world. But Anthony fought away these temptations by fasting and prayer. So people sought his spiritual advice, and many disciples flocked to him, whom Anthony organized into the first communities of Christian monks. He instructed them to reflect every morning that perhaps they might not live till night, and every evening that perhaps they might never see the morning, and to do every action as if it was the last of their lives. In 337, Emperor Constantine wrote a letter to him, recommending himself to his prayers. Seeing his monks surprised, Saint Anthony said, "Do not wonder that the emperor writes to us, a, a man as I am. Rather be astounded that God should have written to us, and that he has spoken to us by his Son." In 355, at the request of Saint Athanasius, Anthony went to Alexandria to refute the Arians, confirming the people by his words and miracles. Being requested by the governor to make a longer stay in the city, he answered, "As fish die if they are taken from the water, so does a monk wither away if he forsakes his solitude." A few days before his death in 356, he gave orders to two of his disciples to bury him in a secret place on a mountain. Then he said, "Farewell, my children. Anthony is departing and will no longer be with you because of his association in art with animals, which originally represented the temptations of the devil. He became the patron of domestic animals and of farmers." So that's Saint Anthony the Abbot from 251 to 356.